Okay, so we're going to start the car for the first time in about 6 months. Pretty much everything has been out of the car. Quite nervous right now. Got a new distributor, new injector seals, new radiator, new condenser, new receiver dryer on the aircon. Pretty much everything's been out and has gone back in again. New exhaust has just gone on, new battery, new everything. So let's see if it starts. Switch off the immobiliser. Here goes. The car's on stand, so it's not going anywhere. It's had a new fuel filter on, so it's going to take a while for the fuel to come through. Here we go. Well, I never. Let's go and have a listen to this. It's had a new distributor, so I've not set the timing, so I'm going to have to just check around this and see whether everything's working. There we go, and there's new discs, new wheel bearings, new calipers, new pads, new wheel bearings, new track rod ends, new ball joints, new bushes, new suspension, new cables, new flexi hoses, new brake pipes, new everything. I've got the spanner there ready to bleed the cooling system, and obviously that's all been replaced. I'd say that sounds okay, to be honest. We'll see what happens. Obviously the timing's going to be out when the car warms up, but it starts. First time in 6 months. Just going to check around for leaks. No smell of petrol coming from the fuel rail. I've changed all the injector seals, new filters, new seats, new fuel filter. So I've got the timing light ready to set the timing up. So I'm just going to let the car warm up. But that's a good start.